In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your subscription on Domo AI. Whether you're looking to switch plans or simply need a break, canceling might be the next step for you. So let's get started. First, head over to your browser and navigate to Domo AI. You can do this by simply typing Domo AI into your preferred search engine. Click on the official Domo AI website link from the search results. Once you're on their homepage, you'll see various options. The next thing you need to do is locate the Sign In button. It's typically positioned at the top right corner of the web page. Click on it to proceed. After clicking Sign In, you might be prompted to choose how you'd like to log into your account. Domo AI provides several options, but for this guide, we're focusing on logging in with Google. Click on the Login with Google option, which is usually displayed as a button. Select the Google account associated with your Domo AI account. Ensure you're using the correct email that is linked to your current subscription to avoid any issues. Once you're logged in successfully, direct your attention to the upper right section of your dashboard. Here, you'll find your profile icon, which might be displayed with your initials or a photo if you've added one. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu should appear. From the options presented, select My Profile. This will take you to a page detailing your account and subscription settings. Finding your subscription details on Domo AI is crucial for the next step. On your profile page, navigate to the subscription section. Look for an option labeled Free Plan if you're not currently on a paid plan. Otherwise, you might see another plan name listed. Click on this and it will lead you to more details about your current subscription. If you have an active subscription, you should see an option to cancel subscription on this page. Before you finalize the cancellation, be sure to read through any information or prompts provided by Domo AI. Sometimes, there may be details about what the cancellation entails, such as the timing of when your subscription will officially end or any features you might lose access to. If you're ready and certain about canceling, click on the cancellation option. You might need to confirm your decision by following any additional prompts that appear. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process of canceling your subscription on Domo AI. Remember, if you decide to return to using Domo AI services, you can always reactivate or choose a new plan that fits your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in clarifying the cancellation process for you. Have a great day!